Hi, I'm Ashikir Rahman from Accounting Syllabuses. Welcome to my channel, where I upload couple of accounting tutorials weekly. Today in this lesson, I'm going to show you how to prepare commission receivable account. This is a very common topic in other payables and receivable chapters, but many students are very confused to prepare this account. But trust me, it is quite easy if you understand. Okay, so no time to waste. Let's get started. Okay, so today we will complete this account, this rent receivable account, by following an example questions which is taken from Cambridge IGCSE accounting first paper. Okay, fine. So before we start, let us see some important points here written on the board. There are two types of account already know for this chapter. Some accounts for expense, some accounts for income. So this is an income account. So here we will not follow the expense accounts preparing procedures. We will follow the income account preparing procedures. Okay. So what is written here? Outstanding amount is balance BD will be written on the debit side. Okay. At the beginning of the accounting period, if you see amount is still accrued, unpaid, so it will be treated as balance BD and we will record on the debit side here. Okay, so if there is any opening amount which is prepaid, you received amount in advance, it is prepaid amount. In this case, it will be written as balance BD on the credit side because this is your liability. Yeah, so liability has credit balance. Okay, now if we see that at the end of the financial period, there is an income which is not paid, which is outstanding, will receive later. So this is an asset. This will be written as balance CD on the credit side. Okay. So here same thing. If we see that at the end of the year, we received any amount, any commission in advance. In this case, we have to write as balance CD on the debit side. Okay. So these are the confusing things for the students. Okay, here you are messed up what to write, which one is balance PD, which one is balance CD. Okay, and which side balance CD will be written, which side balance BD will be written. Okay, that is the confusing part for the students. Okay, then look at here, amount received will be written as cash or bank on the credit side here. Okay, so if we see that money is received in cash, we have to write here cash. If we see money is received by bank transfer or by check, we have to write bank on the credit side. So if you understand these things, your 70% is done. Now just you have to put the amount here in this account, then you have to calculate, you have to balance it. Okay, you have to know how much money will be transferred to the income statement. Yeah, okay, so let us have a look at the question on the screen. Chen is a retailer of men's clothes. His financial year ends on 31st January. Okay, this is very important to understand the financial period. Here the financial year ends on 31st January. Okay, so let us write here 31st January 2019. Yeah, so now my question is, why did Chan start his financial period? Yeah, so it will be 1st February 2018. Yeah, so now we see 1st February 2018 to 31st January 2019, this 12 months, 1 year. So this is the financial period for this businessman. Okay, then what is written? Chan receives a commission from Ong, who owns a shop. Okay, on goods purchased by Shen's customer. Okay, Shen provided the following information. Okay, what is that? 2018 February 1st commission outstanding. So this is an opening balance. So what we see here, income account, outstanding opening amount will be balance BD on the debit side. This is a current asset for this business, so it will be written on the debit side. Let us write, as it is opening balance, we have to write the opening date for the business, which is 2018 February 1st. We will write here balance BD. The amount is here $210. Okay, then what is our next transaction? March 1st, commission received by bank transfer. Yeah, so commission received by bank transfer. Okay, so any amount is received in cash or by bank will be written on the credit side. So it is bank transfer, we will write bank on the credit side. Okay, so let us write here. Okay, we have to write here the name of the account, which is commission receivable account. Okay, great. So let us write the date first, 2018 March 1st. Okay, so here Jen received money by bank transfer, so we will write here bank. Yeah, so the amount is here $210. Okay, so very good, we completed this transaction as well. Okay, now what is next transaction on the question? August 31st, commission received in cash. Okay, so here we know money is received in cash, we have to write cash. Same thing, same side, it is on the credit side. Okay, so let us write here again 2018 August 31st, we will write here cash. Okay, the amount is here $95. Okay, great. What is here next? 2019 January 31st, commission outstanding $114. Okay, commission outstanding, it is 31st January 2019. So let us have a look at these notes here. So this is the closing date. Yeah, so closing amount is outstanding, closing amount is prepaid. We will not consider this one, we will consider this one outstanding. So here closing amount outstanding means balance CD. Yeah, we have to record on the credit side. Okay, so let us write here balance CD. Okay, date first 2000, the closing date is 2019 January 31st. Yeah, so we will write here balance CD. CD means balance carried down. Okay, the amount is here $114. Great, we have written this transaction here on the credit side. Okay, now let us have a look at the question. What is our requirement here? Prepare the following accounts in the ledger of chain for the year ended 31st January 2019. Okay, balance the accounts and bring down the balances on 1st February 2019. Okay, so here already we recorded all the transactions. Now we are required to balance this account. Okay, but question is how to balance it, what to do. So in this question we already have balance CD. Balance CD means closing balance. Yeah, this is the closing balance. So already we have the closing balance in this question. Now what to do, what we will extract here. Okay, so by balancing we have to calculate how much money will be transferred to the income statement. Yeah, so commission is an income for this business. Okay, so this income will be taken to the income statement. Okay, but there are two sections of income statement. One is expense section, one is income section. Okay, so this amount will be taken to the income section of the income statement. Okay, when Chance prepared the income statement at the end of the financial year. Okay, now how to calculate it, what to do? So in this case we need to compare this dollar column to this dollar column. Okay, we have to check which column is greater in terms of money amount. Okay, so if we compare, we see the credit column is greater. Yeah, so let us total the credit column first. Okay, so if we total here, what we get? Well, if you say it is $419, you are correct. Okay, now what to do? We have to take this amount to the opposite side. Opposite side means here on the debit side. Okay, so let us write this amount on the debit side, the same amount. So we will write here $419. Okay, now what to do? We have to subtract this amount from this total 419. Okay, so if we subtract, what is your answer? Well, if we say it is $209, you are correct. Okay, so what does this amount call? This is the amount will be taken to the income statement. Okay, so we will write here income statement. Okay, then what will be the date for this income statement? It is simple, already you know the date for income statement will be the closing date. Yeah, so closing date is 2019 here, already you know 2019, and it is January 31st. Okay, so we completed calculating income statement. So here we have balance carried down, which is $114. This amount will be taken to the opposite side under this total, okay, below the total. So total is here $419. So here balance sheet is $114. So let us write here $114 here. Okay, now we will write here balance brought down, balance PD, which is a requirement in the question. Okay, so date for balance PD is written on the question. It is 1st February 2019. Okay, so let us write here 2019 February 1st. Okay, so if this date even not written in the question, we know that date for balance PD will be the first day of next accounting period. Okay, so here the closing day of accounting period is 31st January 2019 and the first day of next accounting period will be 1st February 2019. Very simple to understand. Okay, so this is how you have to prepare any kinds of incomes account. Okay, here I showed you how to prepare commission receivable account. Okay, if you understand this one, you can prepare rent receivable account, interest receivable account, discount receivable account. Okay, all types of incomes account you can do it by following this account and following these procedures here given. Okay, so please remember these notes given here on the board. These are very important. If you understand this, if you can remember this, whatever question is given, you will be able to prepare. Okay, so this is all about this lesson. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and you understood this tutorial. If you think that this tutorial is helpful for you, please share with your friends. They will be also benefited, and you can consider subscribing to our channel because there are other so many accounting tutorials which will help you to understand accounting, to learn accounting, to prepare yourself for anything, for exam, for class, for homework, for test. Okay, so that is all. I'll see you soon with new video. Until then, bye bye and take care.